Hello my friends, all bikers very like summertime. It's very good time to ride, but we have one problem here. Our Moto boots is very warm, and after 2-3 hours in these boots they are full of water, full of sweat. It's good idea to wash it completely after you ride, but in my case, after I wash it, they dry in about 3, even sometimes 4 days. It's not comfortable if you won't ride again, and even if you ride once a week, I think 3-4 days in wet condition it's not helpful for material of your boots. On internet I found very simple construction how to do motor boots dryer by yourself. I bought everything I need, and it's all together cost under 40 bucks in my country. Let's see what we have here. Here is plastic sleeve, plastic cap, plastic adapters, the fan itself. I found the 100mm diameter fan. Also you can find 105, 110 or 125mm, but 125 probably too big. 100, 105 and 110 it's okay. Here is a rubber ring to mount your fan. T-pipes, they are 110mm. Also adapter from 110 to 50. This angle adapter you need to put the tube inside your boot, and half meter 50mm tubes. I think half meter even too much. I think 300mm should be enough, but I bought 500mm. And here is wiring. I found ready wire with plug and switch, so it's very comfortable to use, no need to solving. Here is all parts together, and after you will see list with everything you need. You can press pause and write it to you or make screenshot. Of course everything in metric system if you live in country where you use inches, so probably you should adapt the all sizes for your measurement system. I use sprayer to mount it because all these pipes are fit very tight, so water helped me to mount it together without problem. Some people use oil, but I think it's not necessary to use oil here. Water is work very well. So we need to connect these T-pipes together. After we take our cap and mount it here. I think if you want more powerful dryer, you can use extra fan from this side instead of using this cap. Now I mount adapters from 110mm to 50mm. It fits good with water, but without water I think you should apply too much pressure to mount it. Okay, that's it. Now I connect my pipe with the angle adapter. It works good without water. Very simple to press the adapter inside the tube. Same deal here. I even don't use water here. And here I tried to mount this plastic sleeve, but my fan wasn't 110 millimeters diameter, so this step was necessary for my fan. I remind you, my fan is 100 millimeters. As you can see, it does not fit good, it's very loose. Now we will connect our wiring to our fan, and we should change rotation direction because we want our fan to blow inside our construction but not outside. Check it. Now we take our rubber ring . So yeah, for 100 millimeters fan you no need this sleeve. We just need fit this rubber ring on our T-pipe and move our fan inside. 100 millimeters and I think 105 millimeters fan fit good. My 100 millimeters diameter fan need these zip ties to make this connection good and strong. Now it's okay, and here it is. Everything is ready to use. Let's check how it works. Press our switch, fan is working. And it's blowing through these pipes to outside. Just place our motor boots here. And yeah, that's it. If I wash my motor boots, they dry in about 3-4 days, but with this device it's completely drying just after 1 night of working. I hope you can find it helpful. You can also do it yourself. Thank you for watching. Press like button, subscribe button, and have a good ride.